encompasses. They're basically taking the custodianship of the heart and soul of their business, information technology, and they're turning that over to a third party. They're turning that over to a vendor. Don't be fooled by the whole, that's why I said we got to get away from a lot of these technical terms like the cloud and the Internet of Things and all of that. At the end of the day, what they're doing is they're taking the heart and soul of their business and they're entrusting the custodianship of that to a third party, to a vendor that they may or may not know much about, right? And so now, let's come back to our profession. Let's look at that definition again. SOC report is a written report by an independent CPA or CPA firm attesting to the accuracy of the internal controls supportive of the IT services provided by the service provider. We'll skip all the rest of that. IT services of an internet service provider. What we're talking about here is, if you look at that second paragraph, as what's our job? And this is what, and increasingly, what our clients are looking to us, they're looking for us to perform, to provide some kind of assurance here, the way we provided assurances here. An audit report. An audit report is a written report by an independent CPA or CPA firm opining on the extent to which a company's financial statements are presented in conformity with generally accepted accounting principles. Why? Because during all those previous ages, one of the things that became apparent is we needed, in order for the country to thrive, and in order for us to grow as a country or throughout the world, other successful civilizations, is we had to rely on the financial information that was presented to us that would present the performance and the position of financial companies, and that can affect commerce between those companies and banks. And that assurance was in the form of third-party assurance from who? Wait a minute, from who? From CPAs. Let's face it, folks, we're still at the top of the food chain when it comes to credibility and third-party assurance. And that's the whole purpose of the financial statements. Our clients are looking to us to do the same thing here. This is the whole new frontier that we're on now. Because what's happening now, as opposed to, of course, they still rely on us for the financial statement assurance. But now they're looking to us to provide some kind of assurance here. So we're looking at the adequacy of internal controls supportive of IT services. The same way that our clients would get third-party assurance on the financial statements are presented in conformity with generally accepted accounting principles.